Hi guys, welcome to another Jerry Crew video. We're on our way to the Sailsbury Plains to do some off-roading. I'm in a Toyota Hilux, we've got Will in an Isuzu, and we've got Liam in my old Suzuki Grand Vitara. We're going to see what we can get through and whether we can all make it through alive.
Yeah, we definitely got us the front door, good buddy. Mercy sakes alive, looks like we got us a convoy.
Arizona, noon on the 7th of June, and they highballed over the pass. Bulldog Mac with a cannon back and a Jaguar hauling ass. He's 10 on the floor, stroking bores, seat cover starting to gain. Now Beaver, you are trucking with a rubber duck, and I'm about to pull a plug on your drain.
Ow! Oh, Jesus! Come on!
Up here.
New Mexico, one eye forward like a Texas lizard on glass. 1,000 pedals in the nation, smelling a bear with a walking grass. We trucked all day and we trucked all night. Big Benny improving our style. We could tell by the smell he was heading for hell, and the devil was dirty Lyle. And he hated his truck, and he loved to bust truckers for fun. So he followed the line, and he bided his time, and he watched for his chance to strike. Then he picked on a trucker he had wiring, so he had a truck to call Spider Mike. But the great rubber duck sort of run out of luck when he crossed that final bridge. There's choppers and rigs full of guns and pigs, they all along on the ridge. He showed no fear as he grabbed his gear, and he stuck it to Granddaddy low. Then guns went boom, and his ass went zoom, and the Mac took a terminal blow.
Sure, I'd use a long on this here run to kick ass, don't you know? 10-4, I know you can't say kick ass on the CB. Back?
Well, that big black Mac stopped dead in their tracks when the trailer flew high in the air. There was pieces of truck and some pieces of duck. Then the rig took a drink and commenced to sink, and there was no duck no more. But that evil smile from dirty old Lyle shone south from the North Texas shore.
Listen up, just a good old boy, never meaning no harm. Beats all you never saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born. Straightening the curves, riding the hills. Someday the mountain might get them, but the law never will. Making their way. That's just a little bit more than the law will allow. What's that?
That's great, mate.
Play it, Joe.
You ain't avoiding it. Straight, slow. So right down in the back wheel, come over. Slow. One man.
Just two good old boys. Couldn't change if they could.
Straight, mate, straight. Yeah, perfect. Right,
Fighting the system like two modern day Robin Hood. Making their way the only way they know how. That's just a little bit more than the law will allow. I'm a good old boy. You know my mama loves me, but she don't understand. They keep showing my hands and not my face on TV. We love you, Waylon.
You made it.
Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch no bandit run. Keep your foot hard on the pedal, son, never mind them brakes. Let it all hang out, cause we got a run to make. The boys are thirsty in Atlanta, and there's beer in Texarkana, and we'll bring it back no matter what it takes. Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch old bandit run.
No!
I'm not even in the fucking car yet!
God, he's so impatient. For the viewers at home, Stefan hasn't had a look at how silty and how full this ditch is. So this should be quite interesting. Oh wow, he's full of hope.
Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch our bandit run. Old Smokey's got them ears on, he's hot on your trail, and he ain't gonna rest till you're in jail. So you got to dodge him, you got to duck him, you gotta keep that diesel trucking. Just put that hammer down and give it hell. Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound, just watch our bandit run.
Okay, so that is it for our off-road adventure here at Sailsbury Plains. Thank you for watching. We've just towed Will out of the mud and he's taken half of the bog with him, so that's good. We've done a recovery, we've been through loads of puddles, and we've also done some donuts as well.
And also, if you do come out off-roading, don't leave shit like this, you fucking knobheads.